Hey guys, okay, so recently I have been asked a lot how I use up my Bath & Body Works body care so quickly in my empties videos. So let me walk you through it and tell you how I do it. Okay, this is what I do. So one thing is I pick one thing, use it up, then move on to the next thing. I don't even pick 3 or 4 things. I just stick to one thing. It's hard, but I just gotta do it. So for example, let's just walk through PocketBacs. So this is a bit different. Usually I don't have a lot of these full size, but this is what I'm working on, a full size. I pick a PocketBac, I use it, usually a small PocketBac. I take about, also recently I've been doing it slower, so my next empties might not be as big as my other last few empties. But for right now, I can use a PocketBac maybe like once a week. It used to be 3 days, but now it's now a week. Now this big one will take me maybe, I don't know, this might take me a month, you guys, to be honest. But this I've had for 3 years. So this is the recent one that I'm using, Twisted Peppermint. It's what I'm working on right now. And to use this, I just use it, I wash my hands only when I'm in the bathroom. When my hands get dirty outside the bathroom, I use the PocketBac instead. Maybe every couple hours, I just use it, even if I don't need it. Just to scent my hand like peppermint. I know. But that's how I use it really quickly. There we go. With the PocketBac. For the soap, this is the one I'm almost done with, which is the Coconut Mint Drop. Soap I can use in about 5 to 7 days. This is pretty much almost done. This will be done maybe tomorrow, I think. This will be done tomorrow. And the soap I'm going to work on after that is this Arctic Berry. And this will be done probably by next week for sure. Soaps, I can just use a lot of soap. I wash my hands so many times, and oftentimes I'll do 3 or 4 pumps and I'll wash it 2 or 3 times. So it can just really go down really quickly. For soap. For shower gel, the one I'm currently using is the Frosted Coconut Snowball. And yeah. This one, I used to be able to use in like 3 or 4 days. Now I use less because I feel like I was wasting all the product by using too much at one time. So now I would say about a week or so. And I use this in a week. I just pour a lot of it in like a lot, like a lot in the middle of my loofah, and I just go for it. And then like at the end, I like to squeeze it and have the soap on my shoulders. And yeah, if you want to use it, you gotta use it like that. Don't just put like a little drop. No, it'll take you 2 years to finish it off. That's how I use these shower gels up really quickly. 1 per week. Next, this is a room spray, but yeah, room spray, every time I use the number 2, I turn the fan on and I spray the toilet bowl, I spray the shower, spray everything, like 10, 20 sprays. Keep the door locked, it will not lock closed, turn the fan on, and you're good to go. And this is a great room spray, the snowy morning. This is great. I don't like this as a body spray, but as a room spray, it's really good. Okay, and then for the actual body spray, I'm using pumpkin picking right now. This is great. I got so many of these, and this is how I spray this. And to really use it up fast, you have to spray maybe like every hour or 20 minutes. You have to do this. Spray your stomach, spray your chest, spray your neck 3 or 4 times. Do your arm, both sides, your shoulder, and the same. Every 20, 30 minutes. And that's how you can finish off in like 3 or 4 days. But I haven't been doing that lately, so this has been taking me 2 weeks. But I gotta start getting better about doing this like every hour or 30 minutes or something like that I used to. The more you spray this, the more you use it up faster. So think about that. Yeah. So if you really want to use your sprays up really, really fast, every 20 minutes, do what I just did. Spray your stomach, chest, shoulders, back and forth a couple times. Then your arms back and forth and everything. And you can even do your hair too if you want to, because I'm going to wash my hair anyway tonight or tomorrow. So just do your hair too. And back of your neck, you just do it until you start coughing, to be honest. Or sneezing, and then that's when you're good to go. Yeah. Okay. And then for lotion or body cream, now I'm using a lotion. This is actually a hand lotion, but I'm using it for body, which works great as body too. And I put it all over my whole legs. I put like several pumps. do my whole leg all the way to my, you know, on both sides. And then I do my stomach, my upper back, lower back, everything. I just cover my whole body, like lather it, like I'm bathing in it. Kind of like a shower gel. I put a lot. And then a cream I can finish in like 4 or 5 days. And this lotion, probably same. So that's how I use the lotion and creams up. And then last, the body mists. I just spray on once before, either when I'm taking a nap or when I'm about to go to bed. I spray about 10-20 sprays on the top layer of my sheet. This is the lavender and cedarwood. Is that 5 minutes or 10 minutes? Oh, okay. This will be a quick video. Okay. I spray the top part of my sheet, the inside of my sheet, and the pillowcase, and even next to the pillowcase. About 20 sprays. I spray this, the pillow, then I spray underneath it, and then inside the sheet, outside the sheet. Wait about 2 minutes, then climb in bed, and I'm out like a light. And I've already used quite a bit of this, and I only used it for maybe 2 weeks or something. So yeah, you can use this like a month. You can finish up in a month, in my opinion. A pillow mist in a month. And that's pretty much everything. And then when something's finished, I start the next one. And some people were saying, oh, just pick 3 or 4 scents or 5 scents and then rotate. You can do that, but it takes a lot longer to do that. So I just pick one. Use it as fast as I can. And if I get tired of a scent, I use it even more often so I can get to the new scent. Just keep spraying until you're sick of it. And then wait an hour or 2 and then spray more. Just spray like you're a sprinkler in a yard. Just spray. Another reason why I'm buying less, because I have too much to use up. So anyway, so that's what I was walking you through. I hope that helped you guys. Someone asked me in my recent video, if a scent is 2 years or more longer, does it lose its smell? I don't think so. It doesn't lose its smell, but after a couple of years, the body creams do go bad. The shower gels, I think, and the sprays stay the same, in my opinion. But the lotions and body creams, they become a little bit weird, funky smelling after just the body creams and the lotions. After a year and a half, they start to get a little bit weird. Some of them turn colors after about a year. And then after that, the consistency of the cream becomes more watery, and then it starts to smell a little bitter and sour, and then just... That's why I don't buy a lot of creams and lotions anymore. I just get what I can use up for that season. I don't even get for the next year. I really don't, because I just... People were saying, oh, you do know that creams go bad. Well, no shit. That's why I stopped doing it. Like some new subscriber recently commented that on my old video from 2 years ago. I'm like, yeah, well, now I know. But yeah, that's why I don't buy a lot of creams anymore. That's why I don't buy a lot of anything anymore. I just buy a few things when I think that I can't pass it up, like the hot cocoa cream. I'm gonna be getting that. If it smells really good, maybe I'll get a spare, maybe, but I'm not gonna get 3, 4, or 5 of everything like I did a few months ago. God, no. What I did this summer and fall, it was crazy. I don't regret it because it was fun at the time, but it's not gonna happen anymore. I'll tell you that much. It's just way too much product. I don't regret it because I want to use it up, but I'm not gonna return it or sell it. So before you ask me that, but I'm just not gonna buy anymore. Okay, except a few things every now and then. So anyway, enough of this rambling. This video is 8 minutes. Okay, I don't know. Just like to check the time. See how much rambling I've done. Okay. Anyway, I think that's about it, you guys. Thanks so much for watching my videos, you guys. It means the world to me. It really, really does. Yeah, so thanks for watching my videos. Gonna film a lookbook this weekend. Gonna film a 25 facts about me video soon. And more videos coming. Mukbang, story time, and Vlogmas is coming in December. And yeah, hopefully there'll be a haul next week. But don't forget, it'll be clickbaited, so it won't say haul. So you have to just watch every video to find out which one it will be. Kind of like, where's Waldo? Where is he? So it'll be up probably next week, a new haul. I want to go to Abercrombie & Fitch, so we'll see. First, I want to buy a belt, because some of my jeans are yeah. I don't know. I mean, I'm in between sizes, so I need to buy a belt. Anyway, that's a different story. So, but I want to go to Abercrombie & Fitch. I want to go to Marshall's before the end of the year, and then go back to Target. And I also want to go to Aeropostale too, but maybe I'll have to do that next year. Anyway, expect more clothing hauls. Black Friday Bath & Body Works haul the week of Black Friday. I might either go that Monday when it gets released. The Hot Cocoa line and Mary Cherry Cheer gets released on the November 19th. In case you guys are wondering, Monday, November 19th is the first day of that's released. If it's, I might just go that day and then I maybe upload the video on Thursday or Friday for the Black Friday. We'll see. But that week, expect a haul. Ooh, excuse me. That week, expect a haul. And yeah, but the clothing hauls will be clickbaited from now on. So you gotta watch all the videos to make sure you watch it. And actually, to be honest, like I said, my other projects did up. Every video will be clickbaited from now on, except for Bath & Body Works content. So rants, story times, mukbangs, Q&As. Except for, yeah, Bath & Body Works or routines. Everything else will be clickbaited. And then lookbook, we'll see. I haven't uploaded that in a long time, so we'll see. Depends. If you watch the lookbook, I don't have to clickbait it. But if you don't watch it, no. The month after that, we'll have to clickbait it. So we'll see. But from now on, everything except for Bath & Body Works or routines. Well, the hair care routine you guys didn't like. You didn't watch a lot, so I'll have to clickbait the next one on that. But morning or night routines, lookbook or Bath & Body Works. Won't be clickbaited for now. Everything else will have to be clickbaited because I told you guys the views are just not cutting it. So yeah. Anyway, that's about it. Hey, but at least I'm being honest about it rather than BSing or anything or lying about it. So, but yeah, thanks for watching my videos when you do watch. I wish you guys watched every video, but thanks for watching the videos you do watch. I appreciate it. Some of you guys do watch every video, so I appreciate that. But the ones who just click on the Bath & Body Works videos, I appreciate you clicking on these videos, but I wish you'd click on every video. But anyway, that's close what clickbaiting was for, right? Okay, I'm gonna go. Enough rambling. I'm gonna make it under 10 minutes so I can make more ads. Now it's over 10 minutes, I can put some more ads in it, so we're good to go. I'm just being real. Because it was almost 10 minutes, I want to ramble a little bit, so it's not 10. Okay, now we're good to go. Now I can put more than one ad on this video, make some more coin. Okay. Hey. Just keeping it real. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next video. Until next time, bye guys.